In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can unlock WhatsApp chats. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. To get started though, obviously open up the WhatsApp app, and this does work the exact same on iPhone and Android. On your main chat screen, which I'm on right now, you're not going to immediately see the locked chats. Up at the top, you'll usually just see archived. To reveal those locked chats, just swipe down a little bit and you're going to see the locked chats option. Go ahead and select that, and then it's going to ask you to authenticate with like your Face ID, fingerprint, or your passcode. Go ahead and do that, and once it is unlocked, you'll see all of your locked conversations. Now, there are two ways to unlock a chat. The first method is just by pressing and holding on that locked chat, and from here you can go ahead and just select unlock chat, and once again it's going to confirm using your Face ID or passcode. Or what you can also do is just open up this chat, tap on the contact name up at the very top, scroll down a little bit, and then you'll see a lock chat slider. Go ahead and toggle that off, confirm with your Face ID, and then if you back out, it's going to be back into your normal chats. Just keep in mind, if the lock chats were previously hidden, you will need to unhide them first, then unlock them for them to show back up on your main screen. That is it though. That is how you can unlock chats. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.